Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin ay si SM Supermall.
Pwede na!
So titignan natin to guys kung legit si seller or hindi.
Hindi, wow.
Yung. So legit si seller guys. So ito guys, legit. 3M guys, 3M. 3M double adhesive tape. So makikita nyo guys. May mga size to guys parang ang size nito is 10, 12, and 15.
Sinungaling!
So yung 15 yung malaki. Ito yung 15. Tapos ito yung 10. Tatlong 10. 12. Apat na 12 tapos dalawang 10 guys. So legit si seller guys. Thank you for watching.